Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Weebly site speed issues, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Weebly dashboard. Select the website you want to optimize for speed. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Select General from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the page speed settings. Enable the Compress Images option if available. Use high-quality images, but reduce their file size before uploading. Consider using image formats like JPEG or PNG for better compression. Eliminate any unnecessary images from your pages. Move on to the Themes section on the left sidebar. Choose a lightweight theme known for fast loading times. Preview the theme to ensure it aligns with your design preferences. Once satisfied, click Publish to apply the new theme. Next, check your website's app integrations. Remove any unnecessary apps that may slow down your site. Limit the use of external scripts where possible. Check your fonts under the Design tab. Stick to one or two font styles to minimize loading time. Go back to your settings and select SEO. Optimize your meta descriptions and titles for clarity. This can improve click-through rates and perceived speed. Test your website's loading speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Identify specific areas for improvement based on the report. Make the recommended adjustments to your images and scripts. Finally, regularly monitor your site's performance. Use these practices consistently to maintain optimal speed. Your Weebly site will benefit from these speed optimizations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.